Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between rolling hills and winding rivers, there existed a close-knit community known as Willowbrook. It was a place where neighbors greeted each other with warm smiles and lending hands. But beneath the idyllic surface, there was a problem that plagued the town: substance abuse. The people of Willowbrook watched as their loved ones fell into the grips of addiction, their lives spiraling out of control. They knew something had to be done, but they also understood that change could only come from within. And so, the community rallied together to create a program unlike any other, a community-based substance abuse treatment program. The program was founded on the belief that everyone deserves a chance at redemption, that with the right support and guidance, even the darkest of paths could lead to recovery. The town pooled its resources, seeking out experts in addiction treatment and counselors who understood the struggles and challenges faced by those battling substance abuse. In the heart of Willowbrook, they established a center, a sanctuary for those seeking solace and healing. It was a place where individuals from all walks of life could find refuge, free from judgment or stigma. The program offered comprehensive and accessible services, ensuring that no one was left behind. The community center became a hub of compassion, understanding, and hope. It provided counseling services, group therapy sessions, and educational workshops. Individuals struggling with addiction were surrounded by others who empathized with their pain and shared in their victories. The bonds formed within the program became a lifeline, a support system that could weather even the fiercest storms. Among the success stories that emerged from the program was the tale of Sarah. Sarah had battled with addiction for years, her life entangled in a web of despair. She had lost everything: her job, her family, and her sense of self-worth. But when she entered the doors of the community-based treatment program, she found a glimmer of hope. Supported by the counselors and her fellow participants, Sarah embarked on a journey of self-discovery and transformation. She attended therapy sessions where she learned coping mechanisms, identified triggers, and worked through the underlying issues that fueled her addiction. Sarah was not alone in this journey. The community stood by her side, providing the strength and encouragement she needed to keep moving forward. As days turned into weeks and weeks into months, Sarah slowly rebuilt her life. She found a job, repaired relationships with her family, and rediscovered her passion for painting. Sarah's story became an inspiration to others in the program, reminding them that recovery was possible, even in the face of seemingly insurmountable odds. Word of the community-based substance abuse treatment program spread far and wide. People from neighboring towns began to seek help, and Willowbrook opened its arms, embracing them with compassion and understanding. The program became a beacon of light in the fight against addiction, a symbol of what a united community could achieve. And so, the tale of Willowbrook and its community-based substance abuse treatment program traveled across the land, igniting hope in the hearts of those struggling with addiction. It reminded them that they were not alone, that there was a place where they could find solace, support, and a second chance at life. As the years passed, the program continued to grow and evolve, expanding its reach and impact. It served as a reminder that within the darkest corners of our society, there was always the potential for light to shine through. And in the town of Willowbrook, that light came from the unwavering commitment of a community united in their mission to heal, support, and inspire. In the end, the community-based substance abuse treatment program not only changed the lives of those it touched but also transformed the town itself. It became a testament to the power of compassion, resilience, and the indomitable spirit of a community that refused to let addiction define them. Remember, no matter how deep the darkness, there is always a flicker of light waiting to guide us back to the path of recovery.